In this video, I will show you how to create cartoon YouTube videos just by using Canva and free AI tools. Okay, I will make this video super easy and simple. I just made this video as you can see over here.
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to Number Nook with Professor ThinkSmart. Today, we're going to have a blast exploring the magical world of numbers up to 5. Are you ready for the adventure?
So, are you ready to start creating like those videos, cartoon YouTube videos? So let's get started. As you can see over here, I used Canva to make those videos and other free AI tools. Okay, as you can see over here.
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to Number Nook with Professor.
As you can see, so to start making like those videos, so first I did some research and I found this faceless YouTube channel over here that has 3 million subscribers, and the videos they upload are just tutorial videos for kids, teaching kids letters and numbers and animals, as you can see over here. And those videos are getting millions of views. Look at this one, for example, about numbers counting to 10 collection. This video got 111 million views. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, and it's still getting views, and it's easy to make like those videos. They are really super easy and simple. Okay, so let's check this channel. Let's see view channel state. Let me see how many views this channel is getting. Okay, so we don't have any stage for this channel over here, but this channel of course is really making a lot of money because those videos getting millions of views. So to start making like those videos, for example, about numbers, this one for example, let's make it like this one. What you need to do is you just need to go to ChatGPT and click over here. You need to sign up by using your email address and use just free version. I'm just using the free version. You can sign up just by using your email address. The sign up process to ChatGPT is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here and put this. You can copy this. You can copy my script. I asked ChatGPT, imagine yourself as a teacher teaching kids at school to count up to 5. Make it easy and funny. Okay, I will click over here and ChatGPT will start creating my YouTube scripts, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into a voiceover, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. It's super easy and simple, as you can see. Alright class, gather around and let's dive into the magical world of counting up to 5. Are you ready? Some counting fun? Great. It's really easy and simple. It's great. I like it. And here is number 1, number 2. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this. Okay, so let me see. One. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. You need to copy. Okay, let me see. I will copy this part, and you need to turn this script into voiceover. So what you need to do is you just need to go to Google and you can search for PlayHT. Click on the first link over here. Sign up by user email address. The sign up process to this AI voice generator website is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one, and you can use it of course for free. Click over here on change voice. They have different voiceovers: American voiceover, British voiceover, Canadian voiceover, Australian voiceover. Choose which voiceover you like. For example, for me, I like to use this one, Michelle. I'm gonna click on my voiceover, scroll down, click on confirm, and then put your YouTube script here. Okay, okay, let's add this part over here too, to make it easy and fun. I'm gonna add this one, and here you go. Click over here on generate speech, and your voiceover will be, your script will be recorded just in few seconds. What you need to do next is we need to turn this voiceover into cartoon YouTube video, and I'm gonna show you an easy and free website that you can use to turn this into cartoon YouTube video. Okay, just with one click. Click over here. Let's check this one first.
Hold up one finger. We found a shiny gold coin. Can you show me one finger? One coin. Hooray. 2. Hold up 2 fingers. Oh, look, we found 2 more.
As you can see, it's really funny, and this voiceover is really amazing and in high quality. click over here on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you need to do next is you need to go to Google again, search for Adobe Express. This is the magic website that we will use to turn voiceover into cartoon YouTube video. Search for Adobe Express, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and of course it's for free. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so just scroll down and click over here on animate from audio. Okay, like this. And what you need to do next is you need to choose your character, your animated character, and we will add our voiceover, as you can see. So first click over here on the size and make sure to choose YouTube. Okay, they have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Choose YouTube, then click over here on the background, scroll down, and you can find a lot of different background that you can use. So choose which background you like. As you can see, if you didn't like any of those background, you can also click over here on upload and you can upload your own background. So for me, I will upload my own background. I don't like those background over here. I like to use this one. I found this one on Canva. You can go to Canva, search for cartoon background for school, and you can find a lot of background like this one. Okay, if you want to use it, click on open and it will be over here. As you can see, it's really nice. Then your character, click over here on character and choose which character you want to use. As you can see, they have different characters here. If you scroll down, you can see like this one. This one is funny. I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, let's see. Look at this one. No, this one is not. So for me, it's not good. This one. Let's scroll down. I like to use this one, or you can also use, so you can choose any. So for me, I'm gonna just keep using this one. Okay, so what you will do is you need to click over here on browse. Okay, so after you add your character, you can also, if you want to change the place of your, keep clicking on your character. You can move your character to the, you can swipe left or swipe right, and you can put this character here or here. I'm gonna just put this character over here. Click on browse and upload your voiceover. Okay, this is my voiceover.
Hold up one finger, we found a shiny.
Click over here on open and your voiceover will be uploaded to this website. Then this website will add this voiceover to this character and will turn this character into an amazing cartoon YouTube video. So you just need to wait a few seconds and it will be done. So I will get back to you guys when this will be done. And here you go, guys, your video will be ready. Let's check this video.
Hold up one finger, we found a shiny gold coin. Can you show me one finger, one coin, hooray? Two, hold up, two fingers. Oh, look, we found two more coins. Count with me, 1, 2, wiggle your two fingers like this. Awesome.
That's a really amazing and great cartoon YouTube video. Just in one click, you can turn your voiceover into cartoon YouTube video. So after you finish, click over here on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay. So what you need to do next is you need to add numbers. For example, if you are making a video about number, teaching kids numbers, you need to add numbers, for example, here. So how you can do this? You just need to go to Canva. You need to sign up to Canva. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Click over here on video. You will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do, click on the first page. What you need to do first, so you need to upload your video here. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload your cartoon video. Okay, just select your cartoon video, click on open, and your cartoon video should be over here, as you can see. Then you need to add your cartoon video here. Then click on the first of your video and play your video, for example.
Hello, little mathematicians.
So for example, as you can see, the voiceover in the first is saying hello. What I did, I click over here on elements and I will search, click on elements and I will search for hello. So for example, I will search for hello. I will click on graphics because I need just the title or just some stickers. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot, so I will delete this one to show you. So for example, you will use this one, is animated. Click on your click on the sticker that you want to use, will be over here. Okay, then make it small like this and add this over here. Okay, as you can see, let's check now.
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to Number Nook.
As you can see, and in this part, for example, the voiceover is saying number. You can search for numbers on Number Nook, or so for example, I will search for numbers in this part. I will search for numbers. I will click on graphics. I will scroll down. You should find some animated numbers here, or if you didn't find, you can use it. So for example, let me see. So let's search for numbers for kids. Okay, I will delete this one to show you again how you can do it. Okay, so in this part over here, in this page, okay, I need to add numbers. So for example, I will add this over here. Okay, I will click on this one. This your sticker will be over here, or your picture about numbers will be over here. Make it a little big, move it over here. Click on animate, scroll down, add motion effect, click on this, choose which one you want to use. As you can see, I will use this one, for example. I will slow it a little down, make it slow like this from here, and here you go. Then let's see, let's check now.
Welcome to Hello, little mathematicians, but Number Nook with Professor Think Smart. Today, thinks.
If you want to add the text like this one, click over here on text, okay, and choose which text you want to use. So I will delete this one to show you. So for example, I will choose this style. Let's choose this one, for example, and just click on the text. It will be over here. Make it small. Double click. Just double click and name it Think Smart. I will make it like this. Then I will make it small. You can click over here on animate and choose which animation you want. Okay, as you can see, for example, I will choose this one, and here you go. Let's see. So you just need to keep adding stickers that are related to your voiceover. If the voiceover said number one, search for number one and add number one to the in the part of your video, to the front of your video. Okay, if he said number two, search for number two, add number two. So you can make your videos.
Little like mathematicians, welcome to Number Nook with Smart. Today, Think Smart. Hey.
As you can see, it's really easy and simple. And if you want to split your page, so if you want to split your page, for example here, so just choose which part you want. So for example, I want this part. Okay, double click, split page. You can see here split page, and it will be like this. Okay, if you want to go back, so you don't want to split this, you can click on this over here. Okay, click on this icon over here, and this will be like this. Or you can split the page from here. Select the part that you want. So for example, this part, I want this part. I will click on this 3 points, split page, okay? And you add numbers. That's how you can edit this video on Canva to make it more engaging and professional. After you finish, click on share, click on download. This video will be download to your laptop. Then you can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel. You can start faceless YouTube channel about kids, teaching kids numbers. Sometimes you can make videos about letters, about numbers, about the name of animals. There are a lot of topics that you can make. You can also get inspired from those channels over here, get idea from those channels, and start your own faceless YouTube channel if you want. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.